In this video, I'm going to show you how to use DeepSeek AI. So once you've created your account over at chat.deepseek.com, you can start using your account, and we're going to do a quick guide over here. First off, you have your chat, so you can just type in whatever you want. Let's say, hey, what's up, or something like that. You can just ask it whatever, press enter, and by pressing enter, or by pressing this button over here, it will send in the message, and as you can see, the chatbot will answer. Now, once the chatbot answers, as you can see, you can either copy what he said, you can regenerate the answer if you don't like it or it's not what you've been looking for, and you can also like it or dislike it to give it feedback whether the content was good or not. So that's the first function. If you want to open up the new chat, you can click new chat down here or over here and it will open up a new chat. What you can do inside your chat as well is you can also, as you can see, enter or enable this DeepThink R1, which will use the DeepSeek R1 to solve reasoning problems. So if you have any reasoning problems, you want to click DeepThink and then R1, and if you give it a reasoning problem, so something more complicated, it will go step by step and try to answer you to the best of its abilities. So that's for that, and if you click search over here, it will search the web when necessary. So if you have this on, you will always be getting the most recent data that is available online by it searching the internet. So that's that. You can either keep this enabled or disabled. If it's blue, it's enabled. If it's kind of grayed out, it means it's not. What you can also do in here is add in over here some files. As you can see, it says upload docs or images. You can upload a maximum of 50 at once of 100 megabytes each. If you click this, as you can see, it will just open up something and you can essentially just click it and then click open, and just like this, your images or files will be uploaded. You can ask them about those files. You can ask them what there is. As you can see, for this one, it says no text extracted because there's no text on the image. If you want to actually make it do something, you have to have some text on the image it can read and then get some context from that. So it cannot read what's on the image, essentially. So that's it when it comes to the basic usage of this chat. Now, if you want to kind of hide this left panel over here, you can click this button, close sidebar, and as you can see, you now have a bigger point of view over here. If you want to expand it, just click over here on this, on their logo, and it's gonna expand up, or click this one, and it's gonna expand up as well. Over here, as we said, you can make a new chat, or you can hover over the current chat, click those three points over here, and then you can either delete the chat by clicking delete, and then pressing delete yet again, or you can also rename the chat, which I'm going to show you right now. So we can hover over this, click it, rename, and just name it greeting. There we go. Press enter and your chat has been renamed. Now, what you can also do in here at the very bottom, you can see it says get app. If you hover over this, you get the ability to scan the QR code, which will then take you to the website where you can essentially download the app on your mobile device, which functionalities are exactly the same as this web version. However, you just have it on your mobile device. And then if you go to my profile at the very bottom left and you click on it, you can go either inside the settings, where you can select your language, which can be system, English, or Chinese, I believe. And then you can select your theme, so it can be the system theme, dark or light. And then if you go to profile, you can see your phone number in here. You can view their terms of use and then privacy policy, or you can delete your account. So if you would like to delete your account, press delete over here. You can read all about this, and then you have to type in delete my account and then click confirm delete my account, which will then delete your account. So that's the basic usage. And if you go down here to my profile, you also have the option to delete all chats. So if you want to delete all chats at once, click this, confirm deletion, and just like that, all your chats will be deleted. You also have the option to contact them by clicking contact us. And as you can see, you'll be able to see and check the DeepSeek service status. You can chat with DeepSeek model, see the frequently asked questions, or contact support directly. And if you click this, you can then go into messages, where you can contact support and see your previous conversations on your account. And then the last thing over here, you can log out of your account if you would like to do that as well. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.